Alrighty guys, so update. Our Otto did not survive. So the male guppy did, and yes, you see bags, but just wait. So that Otto sadly did not survive. It may have just been something from the pet store. That, if it was brought in too quickly or was sick there, it could have just not done well. Also, sad news, our yellows might not make it. So there's another dead one right there that I need to get out. And another one died, I think, yesterday. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6 shrimp in here. So not great news. Is that one? I think that one's still alive. So I'm wondering if they have some kind of bacterial infection or something. I really don't know. I tested the water and everything. The water's totally fine. So pet store was like, yeah, it's maybe just a fluke thing. Ignore the scratches on the algae. I was getting some snails off the rocks. And the tweezers. I scraped off some of the algae with it. But yeah, I really don't know. So if these all do die, I'm gonna let the tank sit for a while and just kind of run and try to rescue it for the next time. Maybe dose it with some peroxide or something, I don't know. But we'll see. I'm pretty disappointed with that. So if all else fails, we'll wait and then maybe turn it into a red cherry shrimp tank and then wait until I have the space to do a really big tank for the yellows. Because they are my favorites, I want to give them, the best tank possible. So we'll see what happens with these. But on to the new stuff. First of all, mystery snails lay more eggs. Yay. The other ones did hatch, so they're in there now. And let's see what we got. So because our Otto died, we need more catfish. So I got 3 glass catfish and 1 male cobra guppy, which is beautiful. It doesn't have its full coloration right now because it's stressed in the bag. But it's actually a bright, bright green tail. So, gorgeous color. And then these catfish are stinking awesome. Like, how cool is that? So again, 3 glass catfish. The lady at the store said they might eat some of the baby guppies, which probably wouldn't be a bad thing. We kind of have a lot of those right now. Like, at least 20. Some are in a little vase. I sold some, and we still have probably 12 in there, and then another at least 7 in this tank. So, and then I think she's pregnant again. I think she's probably pregnant again. So that's another, 30, 40, 50 guppies coming. So, yeah. Look, they're harassing her. It's ridiculous. But yeah, so these might keep down our guppy population to a healthy size for this tank. And they're much more active than other catfish. So these ones are more like swimming around, playing, currents, not just sticking to a rock. So I thought these would be fun to watch. As you can see. So I'm letting them acclimate now. They're very anxious to get in the water. Well, like in the tank. So we will see how that happens. Maybe I'll make a video when they're all settled in, but we definitely need catfish in here because we're getting a lot of algae on that entire wall. So the snails are just not cutting it. And then in here, our little shrimplets are doing phenomenal. We have a wild type right there. There we go. Wild type there. There's like a black really right there. Another wild type over there. Black there. Some tiny blue ones up there. I need to remove the wild types. Some more over there. So there's around 30 babies I've actually counted in here, and I don't know if I can see her. I do not see her, but the blue female is buried again, so we should be having more shrimp in a couple weeks. No, more baby shrimp. The adults are doing well. There's one right there. And the oldest babies are actually becoming, like, they're at least juveniles. So we might be getting babies from them before long, because they're actually probably the size of the shrimp that I got originally when I first got them. So, like these ones here, that's one of the babies from the earliest batch, and they are about the size of our original shrimp. So we might be getting a baby boom here. So we'll see what happens here. I should be selling some this week, I think. But yeah, we'll see. There's lots of babies in the plants here in this coontail. See, there's one right there. Yeah, they're just doing very well in here, though. So, that one's walking backwards, cleaning away. But yeah, guys. Oh, also I got a big piece of driftwood from the pet store as well. Figured with the new predatory catfish in here, fish might appreciate a little bit of hiding. So there's a little cave in there, a little tunnel, and some nice places where they can go on. And I figured the snails would like it too. Talk too fast, wore myself out. I think that's about it for now. So I will let you know what's happening, and hopefully these all survive this time. Wish them luck, and we need a name for a new catfish colony. So remember glass catfish, so maybe something along those lines, or I don't know. But I really like these guys. And we shouldn't have any problem with them having a population thing, because I talked to the lady, I'm like, will these breed like crazy in a tank? She's like, no, they will not. So I don't think we'll probably get any babies from them. And the dogs are barking. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think for a name for these guys. And hopefully next time you see this guppy over here, he'll have his full coloration again. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And happy Memorial Day!